Welcome back to the Tipsy Banker channel. Let's explore the French 75 and an exciting new variation by our talented mixologist Týna. The French 75 is a timeless cocktail that dates back to the interwar period. First served in Paris at the New York bar by bartender Harry MacElhone. Now, let's introduce Týna's innovative twist on this classic. The last, but not least, Týna was inspired by the straight and elegance of the French 75 and decided to create a version that reflects her personal tastes and favorite aromas. She really enjoys using sparkling wine in drinks for that straight and slight bitterness. What really caught her attention was the inclusion of sparkling tea. She started thinking that she would like to do this twist on the French 75, but with nettle tea, since it is her favorite. She ended up using it as a cordial and thought of creating this drink for personal tastes and smells that she likes. As she loves the scent and decoration of roses, she used the roses as a syrup to sweeten the drink. The drink is again short and strong, but as far as the taste is concerned, it is more floral, and thanks to the combination of nettle and rose, it has both the earthiness of herbs and the lightness of flowers. Try it at home and let us know what you think. You can find the ingredients and the exact procedure below the video. If you are interested in more, write to us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time for the forgotten classic cocktail.